Hello students, today we are going to discuss the next chapter, that is the electrochemistry, 12th class chemistry. So right, let's start from the MCQ section. So the first question, the electropotential of a SHE standard hydrogen electrode is fixed as already we know, the standard hydrogen electrode electropotential that will become 0 volt. Next, the unit of molar conductivity. So as we know, the molar conductivity units, that is become equal to Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Right option is A answer. Next, the number of Faraday required to reduce 1 mole of copper to positive ion, copper to positive to copper, that is a gaining of 2 electron. 2 electron, that is by using the reduction, so that will give the charge 2F, that is a 2 Faraday is the charge. Okay. Next, while charging the lead storage battery, lead sulfate anode is reduced to lead. Lead sulfate cathode is oxidized to lead. Lead sulfate cathode is reduced to lead. Lead sulfate anode is oxidized to lead. So right answer, lead sulfate anode is reduced to lead. Next, the molar conductance of electrolyte, that is a ammonium hydroxide. So molar conductivity for ammonium hydroxide by using the Coleridge law. According to definition of Coleridge law, so conductivity किस करके होएगी due to their ions, individual ions. So there is a molar conductivity of ammonium positive ion plus a molar conductivity of a hydroxide ion. So option A is the right answer. Next, electropotential is the potential difference that develop on. So electropotential ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ difference ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਵਿਚਕਾਰ ਇੱਕ ਸੈੱਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਡ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਲਾਈਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. So right option, that is a C is the right answer. Next, that is the name the cell which is used in space Apollo program. So this is also important, space Apollo program, that is known as the fuel cell, which is also known as a hydrogen oxygen fuel cell, which is used as a space Apollo program. Next, a galvanic cell, that is also named as a Daniell cell. So another name of galvanic cell is a Daniell cell. Next, the substance with a high reduction potential value means it is a weak reducing agent, good oxidizing agent, good reducing, and both B and C. So right answer, that is a good oxidizing agent. Next, the substance which allow passage of electricity through them, that is known as the conductor, and the substance which oppose the flow of current or passage of electricity, that is a resistance material, insulator कहते हैं अपन. ठीक है. Next, the Faraday first law states that the amount of substance deposit during the electrolyte is directly proportional to the, so Faraday first law according, that is directly proportional to quantity of electricity passed. Next, the charge required for the reduction of 1 mole MnO4 negative to MnO2 said the, so MnO4 negative to Mn2 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ देखते हैं अगर ऑक्सीजन स्टेट निकालिए, that is changes from +7 to +4, that is a 3 difference. So the charge required, that is a 3 Faraday coulomb is the right answer. Next, the reaction means that is the process of adding oxygen, the process of adding electron, process of moving hydrogen, process of removing. So right answer, that is the process of adding the electrons is the right answer. So cell constant and specific conductance is related to the, specific conductance become equal to conductance into cell constant is the right answer, that is K equal to G into G star. ठीक है. Next, that is the rusting of iron is quicker in, so as already we know, rusting of iron is quicker in saline water because there is a presence of a different salt that will increase the rusting. Next, the rusting is a phenomena or process which is type, that is a chemical process. Next, units of a cell constant, that is a cell constant L over A, so becomes unit, that is a centimeter inverse is the right answer. Next, the process is used to deposit one metal over the another metal, that is known as electroplating is the process in which one metal deposit on the another metal. Next, corrosion can be prevented, so as we know corrosion ਨੂੰ prevent ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ oil grease यूज़ करते हैं। सो दैट इज़ आल्सो नोन एज, अगर जिंक ਦੀ ਲੇਅਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਕਵਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ that is also known as a galvanization process. Next that is a Coleridge law. So according to Coleridge, at infinite dilution electrolyte become equal to sum of individual ions. So right answer to electrolyte solution at infinite dilution. Next the reduction potential of three metals ABC are given minus 1.4 volt plus 0.6 volt minus 3.4 volt respectively. The reducing power of these metals are in the order. So right answer, that is a C, is greater than B, A than B. So D option is the right answer. Next a 2 marks carrying question. Define molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity of a cell. So molar conductivity, it is defined as number of moles of ions on solution containing 1 mole of an electrolyte in 1 cubic meter of a solution. So lambda हम denote कर दें. Equivalent conductivity, conducting power of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 gram equivalent of an electrolyte in it. So lambda equivalent अपन denote कर दें. Primary and secondary batteries. Next question. So primary batteries are these are those electrochemical cell in which the chemical reaction occur only once and the cell become dead one over a period of time. These are not rechargeable and used only once, known as the irreversible cell, dry cell, mercury cell. Secondary batteries, these are those cells which can be recharged by passing the electric current and can be used again and again. These are also called as a reversible cell. For example, nickel cadmium battery and lead storage cell. So next I write a difference between EMF and potential difference. So EMF, that is it is the potential difference between the two terminal of a cell in an open circuit, and potential difference, it is a difference between potential between the any 2 points in a closed circuit. It is greater than that a potential difference between the two terminal of a cell. It is always less than of the EMF of a cell. It is independent upon the external resistance of a circuit. It depends upon the external resistance of the circuit. It indicates the cause of current. It indicates the effect of a current. Next I define corrosion and its formula first. So that is a corrosion electrochemical process. So when metal are exposed in the atmospheric condition, they react with the air, water, and resulting in the formation of some unwanted and undesirable compound on the surface of metal. The process of formation of layer is known as the corrosion. That is a chemical process, and chemical formula for us is Fe2O3x water molecule. Next, the electrochemical cell. So this is, it is a device can generate electric energy from the chemical reactions occurring in it and use the electrical energy supplied to it to facilitate that is a chemical reaction. Next one, that is a cell constant. It is also defined as the ratio of the distance between the two electrode and the area of a cross section of the electrolyte, that is L/A. So units are centimeter inverse रह जाने की साढ़े को. Next numerical है साढ़े को 2 or 3 marks type numerical. So जिस तरह cell reaction सानू given is tin and hydrogen थी. So electropotential भी सानू given है. So सब तो पहले cell reaction तो oxidation half cell reaction ते reduction half cell reaction लिखांगे. So ਉਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਏਗਾ, that is a E node cell, that is a E cathode minus E anode. So value ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. By using the Nernst equation, E cell become equal to E node cell minus 0.059 over n log oxidized product over reduction. So E cell value put करांगे, solve करांगे, log easily ਸਾਨੂੰ answer ਇਹਦਾ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਏਗਾ. Next है the calculate the maximum work done can be obtained from the Daniell cell. So again reduction potential सानू given है. So E node cell निकालांगे cathode minus anode करके, so we will get the E node cell. So maximum work, that is the delta G node become equal to minus NF E node cell. So solve करके we will get the answer. Next the resistance. So with which resistance given है normal नॉर्मेलिटी गिवन है, L गिवन है, एरिया गिवन है. So by using relation K equal to G into G star, so by using K, G become equal to 1 over O, G star that is L over A. पुट करांगे K दी वैल्यू आ जाएगी. Then equivalent conductivity become equal to K into 1000 divided by normality. So साढ़े को full answer आ जाएगा. Next, similar, the resistance of 0.5 molar solution of an electrolyte enclosed between the two electrodes having resistance भी given है, molarity भी given है, length भी given है, area भी given है. Again by using the relationship K equal to G into G star, that put the values of components and molar conductivity become equal to K into 1000 divided by M. Put all the value and get the answer, that is a 50 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Next one, that is again Nernst equation based cell reaction are given. So first write the overall cell reaction by oxidation and reduction of cell reaction. So from this calculate E node cell, that is a cathode minus anode. So next, that is by using the Nernst equation, put all the values and solve it and we will get the answer. Next, the cell reaction again is given. So overall cell reaction is written as this form. So reduction potential are given, so E node cell can be calculated and its value is 0.36 volt. After that, using Nernst equation, again E cell become equal to E node cell minus 0.059 over n log concentration of product over reactant. So solve करांगे साढ़े को E cell value आ जाएगी. So now calculate delta G become equal to minus NF E cell. पुट करांगे सारी वैल्यू तो सोल्व करांगे. नेक्स्ट साढ़े को सेल रिएक्शन, दैट इज अगेन magnesium and copper are given. So reduction potential are given. So first write the again overall cell reaction and value calculate करांगे. E node cell calculate करांगे, cathode minus anode by using Nernst equation. So E cell equal to E node cell minus 0.059 over log and log concentration of product over reactant. So पुट करांगे तो E cell वैल्यू साढ़े को आ जाएगी. नेक्स्ट Kohler's law the according based on numerical, that is a molar conductivity at infrared dilution. Sodium acetate the value given है, HCl the given है, sodium chloride the given है. So acetic acid the molar conductivity at infrared dilution can be calculated by sum of sodium acetate and HCl molar concentration. So minus करांगे NaCl the. So इस विच साढ़े को आंसर आ जाएगा 402 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Next, what amount of electricity can be deposited in 1 mole of aluminium metal? So in case of aluminium chloride that dissociated into the aluminium 3 positive plus 3 Cl negative ion. So aluminium 3 positive ion changes into aluminium by gaining of 3 electron. So that will need a 3 Faraday charge. So become equal to amount of electricity, that is a 3 into Faraday constant, that is a 96500 coulomb. So साढ़े को right answer आ जाएगा. Similarly, next numerical is article, that is a calcium, 2 positive changes to calcium. So again 2 Faraday unit charge use हो रहा. So electricity required to produce 20 gram of calcium, the 2 by 40 multiple 20, that will give the answer. Next, what amount of electricity can deposit 1 mole of calcium metal to cathode passable calcium chloride. So again it is Q equal to NF formula. Number of electron, that is a 2 Faraday constant value put करांगे solve करांगे. So all the best to all the students, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.